Look like you asking about ethical issue in social media and how to create ethical standard for a specific issue in society. Would you clarify which issue you like to focus? For example, are you thinking about misinformation, privacy, digital manipulation, or something else? It seems like you asking about ethical issue in social media relate to lumai. The term lumai can refer to traditional love potion. In some culture often associated with folk belief and practices. If this is the context you mean, an ethical issue could arise in how lumai is promoted and used on social media. Number 1. Identify the issue. Promotion of Lumai Love Potion on social media. On social media platforms, some users promote Lumai or love potion or rituals as a way to manipulate emotion or influence relationship. This raises ethical concern about consent, deception, and exploitation. Investigate the issue. Some people may use lumai without their partner's knowledge, violating personal autonomy and information consent. Cultural belief, lack of awareness about ethical concern, and influencer promoting lumai as a quick fix for relationship issue. Emotional and psychological harm, ethical violation, and potential legal implication if substances are used without consent. Make ethical standard for this issue to ensure ethical use and discussion of lumai on social media. The following standards should be implemented. Consent and autonomy. Any use of lumai in relationship must be based on mutual awareness and consent. Manipulation or coercion in unethical, honest representation. Social media influencer and seller must provide factual, non-misleading information about lumai, avoiding false promises. Cultural sensitivity. Discussion on lumai should respect traditional practices but also acknowledge ethical concern regarding consent and manipulation. Platform responsibility. Social media platforms should monitor and regulate content promoting lumai in deceptive or harmful ways. Education and awareness. Promote critical thinking about love, relationship, and ethical boundaries in discussing surrounding lumai.